Oh, it's coming along good. You guys, look at that. Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? Good, cause your girl is back with another video. You guys, are you truly doing good? That's what's up. So today, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make us some quick, delicious squash. Now, you guys, I have this good summer squash right here, and I am just going to show you guys that the purpose of this video is to show you you can enjoy some good squash, you guys. Now, my mother loved it, this summer squash, and I'm just gonna cut it. Maybe, I don't know, 2 inches, I guess, I don't know. But anywho, because I want it a little thick, not too thin and not too thick, because it's gonna cook in its own juices, you guys. Now, I know you guys did not see me wash this off, but yes, this squash has been washed. Most definitely it has been washed, and I'm just cutting it off an angle because this squash is not gonna take that long to cook. And I'm gonna put me a little onion in it. Not too much onion, because I like to have a little onion in it. Oh, excuse me, you guys. But yes, this squash was given to me, and yeah, your girl is gonna go ahead and do what it do with this squash, you guys. Oh, I had to make sure I was still recording. So we just chopping this squash up, just like so. Okay. Now, squash is one of my twin favorite meals. And like I said, we have a little onion. Nothing too major. So yes, we're gonna go on and get that on in there. So guys, we will go over to the next step. So okay, so now we have our cast iron skillet, and we have approximately 3 tablespoons of butter, and we're gonna put that on in there. Why? Because we want that little buttery taste. You guys, I don't know about you, but that's the only way I enjoy some squash. But you can add whatever oil you like. You can add whatever oil you like. It's all in your preference. So, let me get this squash over here so that we can get it over here and get it prepared for in the skillet. You know, sometimes, you guys, I just get on a cooking frenzy. I don't know why I do that. But yeah, your girl just gonna go ahead and let these get a little sauteed, nothing major. Okay. We're gonna put a little salt in here to help sweat the onions and get them right where we need them. Not that much salt because we don't have that many onions. And see, and salt is gonna help the spinach out a lot. I called it spinach, my bad. Squash, you guys. I just been around here cooking plenty veggies. I wish I had did that spinach video for you guys. But we're going to put these on in here just like that. Because it's going to make its own juice. It's going to make its own juice. And we're going to let that go and do its thing. Let's put that little piece of onion right on in there. A little more salt. I don't know why I put this back on. Now most only use salt and black pepper, which that's what I'm going to use as well. But I'm also going to use a little original Kingsford no salt seasoning. So we're going to sprinkle a little of that on here as well, because there's no salt. And we're going to put us a little black pepper. And we're going to give this a stir to get that seasoning all over the other ones. And we're going to give this a cover because we're going to let that sweat for about 15, 20 minutes. Because I don't want it too soggy. I want it with a cross in between, you guys. So yeah. You guys, this is a very quick video. And a different way of you enjoying some squash. Now I know a lot of people is not big eaters on squash. And it's okay if you're not a big eater on squash. But fit it into your diet. You'll be surprised. The more you try it, the more you'll like it. So we're going to give this about 15 minutes and we'll be. So as you guys see, I had covered it because I wanted to see what it looked like. You guys, look at there. It's doing its thing. It's sweating. So I'm going to cover it back. Okay guys, let's take a look. Oh yeah. Oh, it's coming along good. You guys, look at that. Now this is where I typically like to have mine. Not too mushy, but just right. Because I like to have a little bite with mine. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to plate this on up, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to like, comment, and share. And yes, tell everyone what your girl is doing on her channel. You guys, I hope you are enjoying these videos. and trying these different recipes, you guys, because you would definitely enjoy them. So let me finish plating this up, you guys. Now there you have it, some delicious summer squash, you guys, quick and easy. And it all depends on how firm you want yours. So with that being said, we put a little garnish, because there's nothing like a little parsley. But anywho, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video now. Do like, comment, and share once again. And yes, try this video recipe and tell me if you enjoy it. So sending much love from my house to yours. Enjoy your little bit of summer squash, okay? Yours truly recipe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Goodbye. Sending much love from my house to yours.